This is your boy, Kubo, back at it again with another little video. I got my nice little Goku shirt on, and I got Zaylingaling Marie. Today, we're going to be doing a video on
the new car.
the new truck. The new truck is
Clean.
a
Clean.
F150 single cab 4x4, and it is the brand new 2026 model. Yes, we got rid of the Boss 302. Why? Because I made a lot of profit off of it. I sold it and I couldn't pass up on the offer, and I took it. Yep, it's gone. But we got the Mexican GTR for y'all, and I'm going to be showing it to y'all. Thank you very much for always tapping into my videos, Barrio Builds family, and I'll be showing you the truck now. Yes, sir. Alrighty, before we go outside, my daughter wanted to say hi to y'all. She also lost her 2 front teeth. Show them. Show them your teeth. Sheesh, no more teeth. She's growing into her new ones. And there's Aline. All right, we're going to be going outside right now for the truck.
Mommy, it's almost built up.
Yeah, and we're going to be showing you guys the truck. All righty, guys, we have the truck right here. It is a 2026 single cab 4x4 5.0 Coyote engine that we got right here for you guys. Check it out. Alright guys, so as you see back here, we went with the carbonized gray metallic for the option on this truck. I like the color, and we went with that one right there. I will show you guys some of the interior, a little bit, walk around the whole truck, and we'll go from there. All you single cab Ford F-150 experts, drop in the comments what I should do for the first performance modification on this beautiful 2026 model single cab. Thank you very much. So here it is. We're gonna be walking inside. Oh man, really like the details on the side, the headlights. I already have it a little dirty because I used it, but check it out. Nice big screen. It's perfect for what I need. I really like that big screen, man. Nice touch up. I like how it has all these charging ports. Check it out. Yep. This seat can go down. I'll show you guys right now. Check this out. Nice little folding third chair, I guess, for the 2 cup holders to work on. Nice little touch up. Yeah, I really like the layout of this truck. That's what I really like the most. The big screen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything. Very, very nice. Yep. There's the other side. Perfect 3-seater for when I need it. For the kids. A lot of room for customization. Very nice. I'm in love with that big screen. It looks so nice when it comes to the Apple CarPlay. I'll turn that on for you guys. Yup. Obviously, that big gap right there is gonna go. Most likely, I'll lower it first, but to you guys that are more familiar with the 4x4 single cab, let me know what I should do first. That's really cool sign as it turns on. Like I said, look at that. Nice Apple CarPlay. I can't really go wrong with none of that. Looks so nice. Honestly, I like the steering wheel too. But yeah, I'm very happy with this truck. Nice. Nice view of the engine bay. 5.0. Stock, surprisingly, is actually pretty quiet. Very nice. Yeah. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up the nice little walkthrough of the carbonized gray metallic 4x4 F150 5.0 that I have. I know we did let go of the boss, but my pockets are happy now. Not only that, but they're happy too.
I like the truck better than the Mustang.
Yep, we're gonna be getting a Fox body and building that. The Fox body is gonna be a project between me and my girls, either that or a new edge. But we're gonna be doing that.
Fixing it, the car. I really want it white or black.
Yep, we're gonna be doing that.
No.
And more than anything, thank you very much for following us, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Mario Bills channel. If you guys have recommendations on what we should do with this truck build, I would highly appreciate that. You guys just make sure you guys comment and let us know what route we should go. Other than that, thank you very much once again. Hope you guys like the truck, and
Comment and subscribe because we're hilarious.
Yes, we'll see how it goes and where we go from here. God bless you guys all, and
Jesus loves you.
Jesus loves you, and thanks for supporting us once again. Bar Builds family, we are out. Let's go.